Here's how to lace high top Converse in a standard style. Start by taking your lace and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets here on either side from above. So take your lace end and just move it down into this eyelet from above. Pull it through a little bit, pop it to the side, swap to the other one, bring your lace end down to that eyelet and pull it through. Then when you pull it through, what you want to do is make sure there's no little twists and everything's straight. Then you want to take a moment to adjust the two lace ends to make sure they're of equal length. So just pause the video, take your time and make sure your laces are equal on either side. Awesome. Then what we're going to do is we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the second eyelet up from the bottom on this side this time. So you want to go up through that from underneath, like so, looking good. Then you want to swap to the other one and do the same on the other side. Take that lace end up through the very bottom eyelet from underneath. Take your time and just pull that through. That's looking pretty good. Then we're going to repeat that, guys. We're going to keep a hold of this one, bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the next empty eyelet on the other side, making sure there's no creases. Swap over to the other one, bring it over and up through the very bottom eyelet on this side. Now there's absolutely no rush with this, guys. What we're doing here is just making sure we're going slowly at your own pace, there's no twists and you're following exactly as I am. So just pause the video as much as you need or play it on a half speed. There's no rush at all. Then we're going to keep going with that pattern. We're going to keep a hold of this lace first, bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the next empty eyelet on this side. Make sure there's no twists. Swap to the other one, bring it over the sneaker tongue and up through the next empty eyelet on this side. Keep a hold of this lace. We're going to bring it up through this empty eyelet on this side. Looking nice. Swap over to the other one, up through this eyelet on this side. Looking good. Now, if you want to have a bow with your Converse, what we'll do is repeat that pattern. Go over and up through the next empty eyelet, up through the next empty eyelet on the other side. And we'll be able to make a bow here, but keep watching if you're wanting the standard style without a bow, because I'll show you how to do that in a second. So if you want a bow, at this point, this is where you tie your standard bow when you wear your Converse. But if you're wanting without a bow, what you'll do is when you get to the second eyelet from the top, so this one, now yours might have more or less eyelets than me, but just keep following the same pattern we've been following. But when you get to the second eyelet from the top, instead of going up through from underneath, what we're going to do is bring our lace over and down into that eyelet from above instead. Do the same on the other side. Take the lace down into that eyelet from above. Then we're going to tie these excess lace ends into a loose little bow here. Don't worry about it too much as long as it holds. And then we're going to take that behind the sneaker tongue and push it out of sight when it's on your foot, if that makes sense. So what you'll do is you'll put your foot in and then you'll lace that little bow and tuck it behind the sneaker tongue, and you'll be able to have a standard lace Converse look that looks really clean without the bow. Repeat on the other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of standard laced high top Converse. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of Converse videos available to inspire you guys. Thanks!